Welcome back to Real Extreme Fishing. Today we're gonna start here at a creek. Gonna fish this creek for a little bit, and then
where it actually empties right here into the Susquehanna River.
We're gonna go upstream here a little bit, and there's some falls. It's actually the same spot where I caught my first walleye earlier this year. Probably the best day I did on numbers in this little creek up here. That, like I said, that empties right here into the Susquehanna. So, but we're gonna get on to some today, guys. So stay tuned. Water's roaring. That's what I like. Got a lot of rain this past week. Probably about 3 inches or so, 3-4 inches of rain in 2 days. It is now Sunday. It rained like Tuesday and Wednesday, I believe it was. It's moving nice. And then the plan is we're gonna fish hit this section, and then we're gonna head into the river. Yeah, guys, this is looking very juicy. I want to get on this rock here. Okay, let's get our backpack off. Alrighty, fishy fishies. First cast over here at the falls. There's a fish, guys. First cast. Yeah, baby. Looks like a smallie. Fish jumping over there. All right, we got cool. Yeah, these fish are colder too. That's gonna be a good day, guys. Smallie number 1 on the first cast at the falls. Yeah, baby. I'm excited, guys. There's some big ones in here. There was, like I said, late spring, early summer. Nothing on cast number 2. Cast number 3 there is. Small guy. As soon as it hits the water. Little baby smallie. Oop. Sorry guys, he came out. Keep it going. 2 fish, 3 casts. I wouldn't mind catching another walleye out of here, that's for sure. There's one. 3 fish, 4 casts. Oh, quick release, guys. Right there's what we're fishing. It's my confidence bait. Try on this side. There's one. Oh, it popped off. There's one. This one's better, guys. Nice fish here. It's running at me now. Nice fish. Woohoo, baby! Look at that smallie. Haha, look at that thing feeding too. Awesome fish. All right. Let him go, guys. See you, dude. Let's keep it going. Something's nipping at it. There's one. Real chill. That's number 5, I think. Gotta love fall fishing, guys. That's what all these fish do. Whenever the water temperature starts falling like it is, they move up shallow. So what they'll do is they'll move up into these creeks, and they're basically getting ready for the winter. They're feeding up. They're eating basically whatever they can until that water temperature falls too low, where they basically go dormant. They don't do much at all. Winter months they'll be in deep holes, just basically laying on the bottom, not doing much. It's actually my favorite time to fish for them. Yeah, most of these fish is what they're doing is they're facing upstream. They're just waiting for any type of food source to come down, and that's where the most oxygen is. It's right where all that water's coming into the creek here. So it's the perfect area to catch them. Man, either hitting a rock or I'm getting bit right there. I'm getting bit, nibbled by a small fish. Try it one more time over there. There's one. Another smallie. Real chill. Slipped out of my hand there again. We got a baby goat tied on here. Show you it real quick. The color's hot snake. Hot snakes. A lot of snags in this area. I always lose a lot of lures here. And try it weedless, Texas rig style. There's a fish. Hey, little guy. There's one. Just kind of swimming it. Another one. Here's another one. This thing is fighting like mad. Bro, chill. Oh, he's cutting my thumb up. It's not a bad one there. Nice little bass. See, bro. Thanks for biting. Another one. Didn't even feel him on there. Another one. Here's one. This one feels good. See how good he is. He's good. Yeah, baby. Nice fish. He's trying to bite me. Hold on, bro. Let me get the hook out of your mouth. Nice one. It's about a pound. Hey, bro. let him go, guys. See you, dude. Thanks for the bite. Nope, I just caught a nice one, guys, and I wasn't recording. Yeah. Darn. Shit, I don't know how many. I just looked at my camera and it wasn't recording. And I did catch a few fish here in the spot. Man. That sucks. Can't believe I did that. This one's not as big as the last one. There he is. Alright, I'm going to switch it up for one more time here. We got a TRD tied on, Z-Man, and the color is P&J. One of my favorite colors to throw. And I'm telling you guys, if you haven't thrown it, try it. I know it sounds silly, but you know, peanut butter and jelly colors, but it really does work. Let's walk down some more. This section isn't producing much. Man, these rocks are slippery. There's a fish. A P&J. Little guy on the P&J, guys. I have been going like the last, I don't know, 15 minutes or so without a bite on the baby goat. So I figured I'd switch it up. The TRD never fails, I'm telling you. See that? Oh, came off. He was a good fish. Man, as soon as it hit the water. Literally, as soon as it hit. Couldn't set the hook quick enough. Well, that's gonna do it, guys. We caught a whole bunch of bass this morning. I fished for probably about 2 hours, and I'm still upset about that one where I wasn't recording. It was probably the best fish of the day, if not the second best. So the best one of the day was definitely at the creek when we first started down there. Caught a whole bunch of smallmouths, a couple decent ones though. So all in all, it was a good day. But like always, guys, if you like this content, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe. Thank you, and have a great day.